This video addresses building and creating invoices. After reservations have been marked with a status of dropped and finalized and pay calculated, they then move to the Build Invoices section. By selecting the Build Invoices option, you'll be presented with a window that has a drop-down option in it. In this window, you may select any of the customers or corporate clients that reservations have been costed for. By selecting the one you wish to create invoices for, you will then be presented with all of the reservations for that corporate client or customer that have been marked finalized and are ready to be invoiced. From this window, you may view the profile if you have questions about it. You may also add a personalized invoice message as well as any invoice notes. Invoice notes will only show up on this invoice. The collection details are populated based upon the settings within the customer or corporate client. You may change them here if you wish. The credit card, you may select the credit card to use to pay the invoice from the list of available credit cards in the customer or corporate profile. You may also add a new one at this point if you would like. Adding a new one here will save it to the profile for later usage. In the lower half of the window, you will see a list of all of the reservations which have been finalized. You may sort any one of these columns by clicking on the header, and it will sort it in the order as selected. From here, you may also exclude it from billing if you wish to remove it from being invoiced. You may also move back to finalize if you have discovered you need to change prices or other adjustments to the reservation. Once you are ready to invoice, you may select one or you may select many to add to an invoice. By selecting the ones you wish to add to the invoice, you may then select the Build Invoice Now option. Select Yes, and the invoice will be presented. This invoice may now be emailed manually, or had it been checked within their profile to automatically email, it would have been automatically emailed at that point. You may then go to other customers or corporate clients and create their invoices. After the invoice has been built, it will then move to the Manage Invoices area, where you're able to make adjustments and or post payments to the invoice.